Hello guys, welcome to Looker BI tutorial. Myself is Raji Prabha. In this video, we are going to discuss about different types of menus which are available in Looker BI. So I'll go to the step by step, which menu that we need to use in our daily activity, and I'll just explore what are the different kind of navigations which are available in Looker BI and all. And before watching this video, just try to watch my previous video, which is accessing the Looker BA. So to practice Looker BA, first we need to register ourselves and we have to access the Looker BA. That detailed step I have covered in the previous video. Okay, but now in the high level I am going to explain how to log into Looker BA and all. So first go to a browser, just type Google Cloud Skill Boost. Okay, here you can select the first option, then click on join, then click on sign in with Google. Then you have to select your one of the Gmail ID. So I have multiple Gmail IDs which are available in this browser, but for now I'm just using this Gmail ID. Then click on explore. Here in the search box, just search with looker. And for now I'm selecting the fourth option, build lookml projects. So there is a option called quest, which is build lookml objects in Looker. Just click on that, then it will give you the multiple labs. So I'm going to select the first lab. So here you can click on the start lab, then it will give you to username and password. Just copy the username and open the Looker. The Looker login page will be opened in the new window or new tab. Just give your username here, don't provide your Gmail ID. So whatever username which is available here, just copy that and paste it in the email box in the login page. Then copy the password and paste it here. That's it. Now you are going to successfully accessing the Looker BA. So we call it as a landing page of Looker BA or a home page of Looker BA. So even in our real-time project, you can see the same landing page. Okay. So once you log into Looker, right? So just click on this icon, so which provides you the your username. So since I am just logging with free source, I can see developer student, but if you work in any organization, you can see your name over there. Okay, and apart from that, so we call it as a main menu. It's a main menu. So every option which is available inside a Looker can be accessed from this main menu only. Okay, now in this video we are going to discuss about all these things. What is the developer menu, what are the different options which are available inside developer menu, what is the explore, what is the admin menu, why we need folders, what are different types of modes which are available in Looker BA. Okay, now first the important thing is develop menu, because as a developer you use this menu a lot in your daily activity. So the first and foremost important option is develop. Click on develop, which provides the three options: content validator, SQL runner, and projects. Okay, the first important thing is project. So it's a project section. So the below two are project names, which was created by the Looker team for our practice purpose. Okay, or else you can directly click on the projects, so it will navigate to project section. See, we have two projects: quick labs e-commerce, quick lab flights. Okay, you can go back. See, even in our real-time project, when you click on develop, so there will be a search bar here. Inside that, the names will be populated. If we have n number of projects, all projects will be available here only. And As a developer, as a Looker developer, you are going to work inside a project only. So whatever code that you are going to write, that is completely available inside a project. Okay, and the second important option is SQL runner. If you want to execute any SQL query against your database or data warehouse, so you can go to SQL runner and you can run the SQL queries. Let's assume that you are using the BigQuery or Snowflake, so you no need to go to BigQuery or Snowflakes. You can directly execute those SQL queries directly from the SQL runner. So here, right, this is the SQL runner page. So here you can type your SQL queries, select start from, like that, based on your table, and that information will be fetched from your database. Because as a Looker developer, if you want to check data, you mostly use SQL runner if you don't have access to BigQuery or Snowflake directly. Okay, and next important point here is content validator. But generally we don't use content validator. Like if you want to replace anything in the code, you can use the content validator, but it is not that much important. Okay, and go back. See, if you want to go back, click on this arrow, reverse arrow. Okay, now it's a home page. So we discussed about the develop menu. Now we are going to discuss about explore, which is very crucial for Looker developer. So explores are used to query the data from the data source. Okay, whatever information which is available inside your data source, that information will be queried from the explore and it will be populated in the Looker side. Okay, so whatever query Looker code that we write, right, so that on top of that we create the explores. From there only we can get the data. Okay, so I'll explain in detail about the explores later in the video. Next one is admin. See, as a developer you have limited access to this admin section, because you are a developer, you don't have to do anything with admin section. That is the reason you can see very limited options here, very limited options. Okay, if you have your admin level permissions, you can see a lot of options here, but as a developer it is not that much important for us. Okay, next it's a home page. So home page, just like we are staying in the home page, right? That's a home page. So this option is not that much important, so we can see the recently used dashboards or something else. If you have had a look on the any dashboard side, that recently dashboards will be added here. If you want to mark any dashboards, so you can mark as a favorite. Boards are not important, but next one is folders. It's very important, because the dashboards that you are going to create from the Looker will be created inside a folder only, a folder section. Every dashboard which is available or which you are going to create should be available inside folders only. It's like our folders in our machine. Okay, every dashboard will be available inside folder only. Here you can see multiple sections: my folder, shared folder, lookable dashboards, people. My folder means it's specific to you. Other persons cannot access unless you provide the access. Okay, but generally if you create any dashboard that is completely stable and nothing is pending from there, then we can create the dashboards or move the dashboard inside shared folder, because shared folder can be accessed by the multiple persons. Okay, so every dashboard will be available inside this shared folder or personal folder. But later I will explain in detail what is this folders and all. But just remember that the dashboard that we are going to create will be available inside these folders only. Okay, and the last topic is menu. If you check here, modes, there are two types of modes available in Looker. The first one is development mode, second one is production mode. Okay, remember that as a developer you have to enable the development mode to make a development. See here, right, The toggle button is available in left side, means you are in production mode. If you move to right side, you will be in development mode. So the option or toggle should be in the right side. See, here it's clearly saying you are in development mode. Okay, if you want to turn off the development mode, you can move the toggle to left side, like that. But if you want to make any code changes, if you want to write any code, you should enable the development mode. Otherwise, you cannot change anything at all. If you are in production mode, files are read only. See, I am just going to project, see develop. I am just selecting one of the project. See here. To go to project, you have to click on the main menu, then develop, then projects. See, these are the code. So I'm typing something. No, typing is not working because I'm in production mode. But if I enable development mode, then I can type something that will be available, or that can be, we can, that is visible here. See, if you are in development mode, you can make some changes. But if you are in production mode, you cannot change anything at all in the existing project. Okay, so these are the different menus or options which are available in the Looker. Okay, so mostly we covered all the menus: explore menu, develop menu, because see, develop menu is very important. Develop menu and the folders. Okay, because in the development menu only you can see the SQL runner and projects. So whatever code that we are going to write, which is available inside a project only, and if you want to run any SQL queries, we can use the SQL runner. That is the reason develop menu is very important. And second important thing is folders. Whatever dashboards or visualizations that we are going to create will be available inside folder only. The third important thing is mode. So as a developer, you should enable always development mode. Otherwise, you cannot make you cannot make any changes to the existing project. Okay, it's a project. So it's a project. Inside a project, you can see models, views, dashboards, and all. So I'll explain about these things in the upcoming videos. Okay, so that's it about this video. Okay, and if we have let's see, if you want to learn Looker BI, or else if you want to upskill yourself in Looker BI, please reach out to me. You can either call me on this number, or you can even WhatsApp me on this number, so I can help you guys to upskill or learn Looker BI. And because right, it's a new BI tool in the IT industry, and it's one of the cloud-based BI tool. So if you upskill to Looker BI, right, so definitely there will be increase in your salary as well, in your package as well. Okay, so definitely I can help you guys to learn Looker BI. Just WhatsApp me or call me on this number. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video.